Stacy, what happened?
I got glue on my jacket.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah.
Can we deliver that around 12?
He's out right now. He's going to be in touch with you. He's going to take care of these things for you.
Okay, perfect. Great. Thank you.
Stacy, what happened?
I got glue on my jacket because I got too close to the work table.
Oh, you got
Yes, a lot of bleep, bleep, bleep.
You wanted to be part of the fabrication process.
I did. I got glue all over my jacket. Shit. I really hope this will come out. What do you think? Well, do you think the dry cleaner will be able to get it out?
I would dab it with a little bit of acetone.
All right, I'll try it.
Just try a little bit, but yeah, you do it. So you know.
Pretty sure I got it all off, but I need something to get rid of the white crap. Tape. You have tape?
We have tape.
Oh, wait, here. I'll do it this way. I'm good at improvising.
Stacy MacGyver,
Yep, Stacy MacGyver, that's right.
fashion connoisseur.
Designers are natural problem solvers, you know that, right?
Very true.
Good designers are anyway.
My idea.
By the way, it ate the lining up though.
It was not my idea. It was not my idea.
Oh my god, it ate the lining up.
Wait, really?
Yeah, acetone eats fabric.
It went right through?
It went right through. They come in and they're like, it's so overwhelming, they're building a house, they don't know where to start, this and that, and I'm like, oh, don't worry, that's the easy part, and at least I'll make you laugh. We're at my client Doris. We're delivering her den coffee table, and next week she'll be getting her window treatments, and hopefully sometime in March or April she'll be getting her den carpet since it's been back ordered forever. So when we remove the plastic, it has a mirror chrome finish. So it's going to reflect the carpet and it's going to look like just one floating piece of stone. Didn't I tell you? I know! Today. I got glue all over my jacket.
Oh my god.
Glue.
The acetone.
The acetone.
Oh no.
And ate up the lining.
Oh my goodness.
But you know what? I don't care. At least it didn't eat through the...
Right, through the black.
Wait,
you don't see
This
that.
looks like you put a fire on it.
I know.
Oh
well,
my
that's
God.
basically what it does. It's like
It
acid.
the acid burns right,
Right,
through
it burns
Oh my
right through
Wow,
it.
it's cleaning very good. I think we should have acetone at home.
Because you want to walk backwards. You want to work backwards. You want to come up with your, just like you come up with a goal, right? And then you come up with your plan, how to reach that goal. And then you execute it so that you can get there. So to me, starting with the architect is not wrong. You know, because they're also going to be able to help you. Right, but you don't even know what your style is. You don't even know all those things. This is the thing. This is why I said, well, you asked the right person, because what I do specifically is design build. I help you hire the right person for as far as the architecture goes. I help you based on what you want to do. I help you hire the right contractor and we bid it out based on actual things that are going into the house. Not, oh, we're going to tile this floor here. No, there's going to be porcelain tile there. It's in a herringbone pattern, so there are no, when you when you start the construction, the contractor can't say, oh, you didn't tell me that. He has a full plan. Right, okay, perfect. Hi. He's in. So what do you think?
I love it.
It
exceeded my expectations.
Yes, I love when that happens. It exceeded mine too, if I'm being honest.